Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's Sam. And if you are a real estate agent, real estate professional, and you want to close more deals, you want to save at least 10 hours a week back in your schedule, then check out our channel. We got a lot of great content here. So I'm going to show you today a really cool tool that we're actually going to be coming out with. And it's going to allow you as an agent to be able to create and scrape information from whether it's different data, so phone lists, things like that for calls. One use case of this, and this is a tool called Apify. And Apify, what it does is it actually uses actors, which are pretty much lead scraping or scraping websites. And what it allows you to do is you can get information from whether it's different contacts and so forth. Now, again, check your rules and your regulations in your market. Of course, if someone has, for example, our market is real estate agents, so we can certainly reach out if numbers local or live. But the whole point is that once you have this program here, it's called Apify. And Apify, what it does is it actually can take and scrape information, phone numbers from business owners. So if you're targeting business owners or other trades from different areas, and actually search them and put them into. So instead of actually searching them on the actual site where you can search for, specific business owners or scrape for different trades or different homeowners or whatever it is, this type of tool will allow you to put that information all into an actual automation, and it's going to allow you, instead of having VAs and all these other people scrape and scrub that information into a data set and then actually put it into a Google Sheet. Now, it's not going to be that useful in a Google Sheet. I totally get it, because people are going to have to make calls. But this is where having the AI agent as a phone call agent, once they're programmed, they're actually able to make phone calls. And now you're going to be able to have them have their own database, maybe with Airtable, which is like where they can put their name, phone number, and everything. It's like a really fancy spreadsheet. That's opportunities are endless now, because now they're programmed by you. They can make phone calls, they can reach out, they can do lead generation. It's almost like having a full-time outside sales rep making notes, trained by you with objections, having a knowledge base. So if you want to learn a little bit more about how AI can help you in your real estate business, again, our guarantee is if you don't close at least one deal in the first 3 months, we'll work for free until you do. So if you want to learn more about how AI can help you in your real estate business, how you can save 10 hours a week back each week, and also potentially get 2 deals more per month in your real estate business, then reach out and I'll make sure to have the link somewhere for you. Cheers.